Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Wise to Amazon. So if you want to pay on Amazon using your Wise account, then this video is for you. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Amazon account and log in. That's what I'm going to do right now. So as you can see here, guys, what you need, guys, you want to move your mouse to where it says account and lists, and then you want to click on accounts. Now after you click, guys, on account, you will find here a few different options. You want to click on your payments. After, guys, you click on your payments, you will find here all your MasterCards and Visa cards that you are using to pay for your Amazon items. Now in your MasterCard or Visa card, you will find here something like add a payment method. And after that, what you guys need, you want to select here which payment method you want to add. So it's you want to click on add a credit card or debit card. Now it will take you guys to this page. It says here card number and card name on the card. These are in these information, you will find it on your Wise account or Wise your credit card. If you have ordered it, you want to go to your Wise and then click on card. And then if you don't have a Wise card, you can order the debit card. As you can see, it says here spend abroad and at home, no markups, no transactions fees. You just need to click on order a debit card, and then you want to enter here the address so that they will ship the full legal last name. And then you want to add here you want to enter here the date of birth, and then your last name, your first name, and then you will receive a card information, a Wise card information, and then you can use this information to enter here the card number and name on the card, and then the expiration date and CVV. You will find these on your Wise account. You can just, after you order the card, if you go to your Wise, you will find the card there, and then you want to click on it, and then you will find all these information that you are going to need. And after that, you want to click on add your card. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like.